And it just looks so good, y'all. Y'all see that? I'm going to scoop us out a little bit. Ooh. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to CHELL'S Kitchen. I'm back at y'all with another great video. I thought I was done for today, but then I thought we need dessert. Duh. So I thought we're going to make a peach dump cake, y'all. Y'all heard me. Peach dump cake. One of the easiest recipes you can get to. Not actually making a peach cobbler, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna make a peach dump cake and we're gonna put a little spin on it. This is what you will need in order to make your peach dump cake. Of course, you'll need a container to put it in. I had these laying around the house, so we're just gonna go ahead and use this. Waste not, want not. Of course, you will need your peaches. I got these peaches out of the bacon aisle. Fruit filling or topping. These is about $6 a can. Got 2 of those. Got some vanilla extract. Got some cinnamon. Got some cake mix. You can use any kind of cake mix you would like. I just picked up vanilla. And last but not least, you will need some butter. And you can also use real butter. I am aware that this is not real butter, but I ain't got no $6 to be buying no real sticks. But we're going to use this right here for $2. Alright, y'all. Y'all ready? Alright, so what you need to do is, of course, you got your pan. We're going to go ahead and open these. And just pour them in the pan. Just like that. Alright, that's 1 can. Open up the other one. Alright, that about a blend. I don't know, I'm going to open this, y'all. Can't try to take me out, y'all. I had to do some surgery on that can to get it out. Alright, y'all, so we got both 4 cans of peaches at the bottom. What we're going to do is go ahead and add some cinnamon. Add some cinnamon. And some vanilla. Got a teaspoon of vanilla and cinnamon. And then you're just going to give it a mix. Mix that up. And I'm going to put some brown sugar in mine. Let me get that brown sugar out. Give me one moment. Alright, y'all, and I went and got some brown sugar, y'all. Add y'all a little bit of brown sugar to this. Make it a little sweet. There we go. Now 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. We're going to give it a mix. Mix it up real good. Oh my God, y'all, it smells so good. Oh my God, it smells like I'm at a bakery or something. It smells so good. Alright, y'all. So we got that mixed up really good. Now what we're going to do is add our cake mix. You're going to add your cake mix right on top, y'all. Right on top of the mixture. Just like that. We're just going to pour it on top. Just want a nice even layer. I'm not going to use the whole thing because... Alright. Let me get... And we're just going to smooth it out, y'all. Just like that. Smooth it out. Alright. Then, y'all, this is when the butter come into play. Grab your butter. And what you're going to do is... Open it up, of course. Get your knife. Hold on, y'all. This knife got peaches on it. Alright, y'all. And then you just want to cut just like that. Put your butter down right on top of it. And you just want to keep doing this until you get all the way done. Come on, bro. Maybe I should have cut the butter first and then just added it. yeah, you just want to cut your butter just like that. And you can just go and place it. You want to make sure that you cover up all of the cake mix, so when the butter melts, it's going to make us a nice crispy layer on top, y'all. Yeah, it's easier to just cut your butters and then place them. Trying to cut it and place it, y'all seen it was about to try to make a mess. Just cut your butters like that. So I probably use 2 sticks for this pan, because it's not a big pan at all, y'all. Just like that. Alright. I still got a little bit more butter left, so we're going to fill in any places we feel like. One right there. One right there. One right here. One right here. Alright. We're going to use all this butter, y'all. Waste not, want not. What that is. Alright. Done with that. Alright. So let's do a quick recap, y'all. We got our peaches. We put our peaches at the bottom of the pan. We added some vanilla. We added some cinnamon. And we added some brown sugar. And we gave it a nice mix. Then we went on top with our vanilla cake mix. Nice even layer. And then we went on in with 2 sticks of butter. Just like this. Then what you want to do is you want to place it in the oven on 400 for about 20 minutes. I'm not really sure about the temperature, y'all. So I'm just going to say 400 for 20 minutes. And we'll just keep checking it and take it from there. So what I'm about to do now is put this in the oven uncovered. And we'll give it a check in about 10 minutes and see how good it's looking, y'all. So yeah, I'm going to put this in the oven. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, we just checked on it. I haven't made a dump cake in a really long time, and an old co-worker, Miss Kelly, shout out to her. She's the one who taught me how to make this recipe, and I've always wanted to make it for the channel. I would say put it on 400 for about 20 to 25 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes, and y'all see how it looked. That's exactly what you want. You want all that butter to be melted, and it's going to become crunchy once it starts cooking. So we're going to cook it at 400 for about 25 minutes, and we'll check on it and see where we at. Alright, y'all. So as y'all can see, the dump cake is done. So the dump cake, y'all, it took about an hour. The dump cake in this container, I don't recommend that you use a deep dish like this, because it took about an hour and 20 minutes to get it this golden. So I recommend you use like a 13 by 9, and it'll take about an hour to cook. So yeah, here we are, our finished product, and it just looks so good, y'all. Do y'all see that? I'm gonna scoop us out a little bit. Ooh. Alright. Scoop out some. Should let it chill a little longer, but shit, I feel like we waited an hour already. We're gonna go and keep it moving. Get a little ice cream. This ice cream might cooperate. Alright, y'all. This is what you want. Y'all see it? Got some ice cream on the side. And that's a nice dessert, y'all. So delicious. This is a comfort food, y'all. This is a food that everybody would love. Grandkids, kids, husband, wives, whoever. This is a great great dish if you're not in a good mood, or hell, if you're in a great mood. This is a great dessert, y'all. It takes about an hour to cook, And it's worth it. This is close to a peach cobbler. I'm going to get right now. And yeah, I'm going to do a little taste. Let me see what I did. So good, y'all. Now, I should have let this cool off a little bit longer before I cut into it. But like I said, we already been waiting an hour and 20 minutes. I don't want to keep y'all waiting no more. So yeah, at least let it sit like 20, 25 minutes before you serve. But oh my God, it is so delicious, so rich. Got your ice cream. Perfect comfort food. So good. So good, y'all. All right, y'all. There we have it. Peach dump cake. I want to thank you all for tuning in today. It's been fun. And I will be back at y'all with another great video. Thank you so much for tuning in to CHELL'S Kitchen.